Good morning everyone. Class 1 Pine, are you ready? Class 1 Pine, are you ready for the computer class? Good morning beta. Minajuddin. Good morning beta. I hope you all are ready for the computer class. Today's a revision class. You know very well and computer syllabus of term 2, chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Computer syllabus of term 2 chapter number 6, 7, 8. Okay, computer syllabus of term 2 chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now okay, very good. I am given my e-portal also. Okay, let's start now. You know very well chapter number 6, 7, 8, all the 3 chapters completed, book exercise also completed. Still if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. And now first you all open your book, page number 81. Page number, no problem. Okay Rishan, very good beta. Now you all please open page number 81, assessment 2. Page number 81, there is given assessment, heading is assessment 2. Here chapter number 6 to 9, from this chapter few questions is there. This is a revision class. All the question answer we have done previously, but what question have from chapter number 9, we will not do that question. We will leave that question, whatever have from chapter number 9. Okay, whatever I will solve, whatever I will do on the board, you will do only that question. I can discuss, no problem, but this chapter is not in your syllabus, chapter number 9. So whatever questions have from chapter number 9, no need to solve this question. 81 open. Have you opened page number 81? I hope you all open. Let's start. First fill in the blanks. First number 1, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number A. First number A. Raw facts and figure are known as dash. Okay, fine Rishabh. Answer me. Raw facts and figures is known as data. Raw facts and figure is known as data. Answer, write down the answer in your book. Question answer we will write in our notebook, but fill in the blanks, true, false, this part we will solve in our book. Very good Jerin, Rishabh, Rishan, Devdeep, very good beta. Data. Next question. The dash bar is present on the top of the paint window. Title bar, very good Debayon. Title bar, T-I-T-L-E. Title bar is present the top of the paint window. Next question number C. Dash feature helps in moving the words to the next line automatically. Dash feature helps in moving the word to the next line automatically. Word wrap. Beta, word wrap answer is correct, but the spelling is wrong. Please correction it. Devdeep, your answer is, your spelling is correct. Word wrap. W-O-R-D-W-R-A-P. Word wrap. W-R-A-P. Word wrap. Very good Rishabh, very good Devdeep, Jarin and Devdeep, please correction. Okay, correction. Fine. Devan, okay, good. Next question number D. Question number D. We can store data in dash, dash and or dash. This question from chapter number 9. I can share the answer. We can store data in a CD, DVD or pen drive. So no need to solve this question. CD, DVD and pen drive. CD in capital letter, DVD all the 3 letter in capital, and pen drive it's okay. Okay, but no need to write this question from chapter number 9. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, first question number A. Okay, CD stand for compact disc. It is from chapter number 9. It is true, but no need to do this one. Start from B. This question from chapter number 9. CD stand for compact disc. It is correct. And DVD full form is digital versatile disc. It is okay. So no need to write. Start from B. A computer remembers and store a lots of data in its memory. It is true. Very good. Very good, everyone. Number B. True. Number B. True. A also true. Number C. The eraser tool is used to draw a straight line in paint. Eraser tool is used to draw a line in paint. False. Yes, very good, everyone. C. False. B. True. C. False. Next, number D. Wattpad contains only one tab. That is example home. Wattpad contains only one tab. False. Devdi, very good. Home and view tab, so it is false. Very good, beta. D. Also false. Not only one tab, two tabs, so it is false. Done, everyone? Done? Okay, fine. Take out your notebook for the question answer. Take out your notebook for the question answer. Very good, beta. Very good, everyone. How can we store data in computer? It is from chapter number 9. So no need to write this one. How can we store data in a computer? How can we store data in a computer? That is from chapter number 9. So no need to do this one. Start question number B. Okay. Define data. Question number B. Question and answer. In your notebook, you all please write in your notebook. Question number B. Answer B. Question B. First write down the question, then answer. Define data. What do you mean by data? Write down the answer. Raw facts and figures. Raw facts and figures are known as raw facts and figures are known as data. Raw facts and figures are known as data. You can write this one and you can write whatever done previously. Anything whatever we can anything that is that we write in letters and numbers is known as data. That is also correct. No problem. Next, number C. What does DVD stand for? This question from chapter number 9. No need to do. DVD stand for digital versatile disc. DVD stand for digital versatile disc. No need to write this question. Now question number D. Now question number D. Name the tool that is used to name the tool that is used to fill color in the picture in paint. Name the tool that is used to fill color in the picture in paint. Which tool? Jareen, beta question number is B. Here oral question 3B. Define data. First write down the question. Define data. Question number B. Raw facts and figures are known as data. Then after question number D. Name the tool that is used to fill color in the picture in paint? Which tool? Reply me quickly. Question number A, Jarin, question number A, it is from chapter number 9. It is from chapter number 9, so no need to solve this question. Okay. I have not explained for chapter number 9. It is not in your syllabus also, so that's why no need to write. How can we store data in a computer? We can store data in a computer through the CD, DVD, pen drive, and in a storage device we can store data. So no need to write this one. Fill, answer me, color group. No. Fill color. No, Rishan. That tool name is fill with color tool. Write down the answer, everyone. You can see the board. If I write the answer over here. If I write the answer over here, you can see. Okay, you can see. Answer fill with color tool. Fill F-I-L-L. Fill with W-I-T with T-H. Fill with color. C-O-L-O-R. Not you. C-O-L-O-R. Fill with color tool. Name the tool that is used to fill color in the picture in paint. The name is fill with color tool. Yes, Jarin. Not fill color, not color groups. Fill with color. Devdeep, C-O-L-O-R. Done? Fine. Now, think and do. Think and do. I will just discuss. Urvashi has created a heart. Urvashi has created a heart in paint. And now she wants to fill color in the heart. Now Urvashi wants to fill color in the heart. Which tool should he use to do this task? Which tool should she use to do this task? Can you tell me? Which tool? She can use fill with color tool to fill the heart. If you want to fill any picture, anything, and then you have to fill color of the picture with the fill with color tool. Here Mafijur, very good beta. Fill with color tool. Jarin, very good beta. She can use fill with color tool and colors also. Fill with color tool and colors from the colors group. Okay, now picture based exercise. These two questions from chapter number 9. These two questions from chapter number 9. This the picture of pen drive. We can store data in the pen drive, and this is a CD compact disc. Here also we can store data. No need to write because these two also from chapter number 9. Okay, done. Now I want to revise chapter number 6, then 7, then 8 if I get the time. For I will ask the question and you will answer me. Okay, I will ask the question and you will answer quickly. No need to write anything. It's done. Chapter number 6, 7, 8. All the 3 chapters. Book exercise also completed. If it's not completed, if you have any queries, you can ask me. I will answer. Fill in the blanks. Reply me quickly. Okay, everyone. The group that contains the rectangle, line and oval tool is known as dash. Reply quickly. That group that contains the rectangle, line and oval tool is known as dash. Is known as shapes. Very good, Jarin. Very good, beta. Next question. Very good, Darsh. Very good, Rishabh. Devdi, very good. Next question. To remove any part of a picture. To remove, very good, everyone. To remove any part of a picture, we use the dash tool. To remove any part of a picture, we use dash tool. Which tool we use to remove the part? Very good, Jarin. Very good, beta. Next question. Now, very good. Next question. The ribbon contains dash, dash and dash. The ribbon contains dash, dash and dash. The ribbon contains dash, dash and very good, Rishabh. Only 1 tabs and 3 dash. Ribbon contains tabs, groups and commands. Very good, Jareen. Very good, beta. Next question. Next question. To increase the thickness of a line, to increase the thickness of the line, we use the dash tool. Very good, Rishabh. Size tool. We use, very good, Jareen. We use size tool. Very good. Now, okay, now next question, true false. Our drawing area is used to draw object. True or false? Very good, everyone. Our drawing, true. Very good, very good. Very good, everyone. Our drawing area is used to draw object. It is true. Next question. The line tool is used to draw a rectangle. The line tool is used to draw a rectangle. True or false? Yes, false. We use to draw a rectangle. Generally, we use rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. So it is false. Very good, everyone. B, now false. Now the next question. The pencil tool is used to remove unwanted part from the drawing. The pencil tool is used. It is also false. Very good, Jareen. She false. The pencil tool is used to remove unwanted part from the drawing. It is false. Next, number D. To draw a circle, we select the oval tool. To draw a circle, we select the oval tool from the shapes group. It is true or false? Yes, very good. Mafijur, Jareen, Devdeep, Rishan. Very good, Debayan. It is true. To draw a circle or oval, we use oval tool from the shapes group. Now answer the question. Name the command that is used to change the thickness of the straight line. Name the command that is used to change the thickness of the straight line. Quick answer. Size tool. Very good, Jareen. Very good, Rishabh. Very good, beta. Next question. Name the tool which is used to remove the unwanted area from the drawing. Name the eraser tool. Very good. Name the tool which is used to remove the unwanted area from the drawing. It is eraser tool. Very good, Rishabh, and very good, Jareen. Now another questions. Tell me, name the tool tabs present in Wattpad. Name the two tabs present in Wattpad. Name the two tabs present in Wattpad. Quick. Home and view. Very good, Jareen. Two tabs present in Wattpad, that is home tab and view tab. Very good, Devdeep. Next question. How many groups are present in the view tab of Wattpad? How many groups are present in the view tab of Wattpad? 3. Very good, Rishabh. 3 groups are present in the view tab and 5 groups are present in the home tab. 5 groups present in the home tab and 3 groups are present in the view tab. Okay. And now true false. Answer me. Wattgraph feature is present in both Wattpad and Notepad. True or false? You all please check your answer. Page number 68. Page number 68. Everyone please open and check your answer. If it is written false, please correction it. Page 68. Chapter number 7. True false. True or false? 2A. Wattgraph feature is present both Wattpad and Wattpad and Notepad. It is true. Devdeep, it is not false. It would be both. Wattpad feature, Wattgraph feature is present in the Wattpad and Notepad both. So please correction 2A true. 2A true. Next to B. Cursor is a line blinking on the screen. B also true. Please correction your answer. If it is not done, please check it. Wattpad has less formatting feature than Notepad. C false. Very good, everyone. C false. Wattpad has more feature, has more feature, formatting feature than Notepad, not less. So she false. D. Control plus C selects the entire text in a Wattpad. Control plus C select the entire text in the Wattpad. No. D. False. Yes. Control A select. Control plus A select the entire text in the Wattpad. So D also false. You all please check A true, B true, C false and D false of page number 68, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. Okay, done everyone? Now data and memory. Please answer me. Archana 8 books 300. It is data or information? Archana 8 books rupees 300. Okay, very good everyone. Answer me. Archana, comma 8 books, comma rupees 300. It is data or information? Data. Very good, Jareen. It is a data. And Snehal wrote 10 sentences on the topic my computer. It is data or information? Snehal wrote 10 sentences on the topic my computer. It is a information. Very good, Jareen. Very good. And Ravi, comma 20 runs, comma 4 over. It is a data. And Priyanka bought 2 storybooks and 1 notebook from a shop. It is a information. Okay. Then for today, this much. I have to start the another class. And now I will take your attendance who are present. Please. Ayush, just join. Ayush. You just join, beta. Ayush Bhakut, present. And next, Bithika Maji, Darsh Samanto, Debayon Mollik, then Devdeep Murmu, Jareen Sultana, Minajur Rahman Mollik, Minajuddin Ahmed, okay, Minajuddin Ahmed, then Rishan Chaudhuri and Rishav Depnath. Okay, okay, done. For today, this much. See you in next class. Thank you. Bye all of you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.